Shannon Grady, along with her husband and children, called this rural property in Chester County, Pennsylvania, their home. And up until recently, they enjoyed a rather peaceful existence here, enjoying nature, managing the land, raising rabbits, turkeys, and ducks to serve their family and friends. All that changed when the state got involved and began what can only be described as an administrative and regulatory war against the family.
I have just constant stress and anxiety. One, because you never know when they're going to show up. They invade your privacy. And two, they're just blatant liars. You're trying to, make us out to be criminals when we're only exercising our fundamental rights. Not one person's been harmed.
Following a large storm, a bridge was damaged on the family's private driveway. After the family repaired the damage, the state got involved and began to demand permits and inspections and environmental experts.
In order to get in and out of our property and maintain and protect our lives, protect our family, we just did what was necessary. And within 2 days, we had code inspectors showing up saying that we needed to get a permit to build a bridge. And we were like, what are you talking about? We literally are just putting it back together, maintaining our property, and there's nothing wrong with it. And that basically turned into a 4-year battle.
Much of the state action also focuses on a quarter-acre pond that the family installed, a pond that Grady claims serves their neighbors by catching water and runoff during storms. Even though the projects on their private property are complete, the state is still demanding them to cease and desist and to acquire permitting and inspections that could amount to hundreds and thousands of dollars.
You see, we have a beautiful, peaceful property, seems safe, yet my youngest, anytime a car even comes down the driveway, he goes and hides. He runs in the house. He's like, Mom, do you think they could come today? Do you think they could come today? Always nervous and scared because they show up when he's out playing. Like, what's going on? Are you going to arrest my parents? Are you going to take my mom away?
Grady contends that none of her neighbors have complained about her management of the property and says this whole situation has revealed to her that she doesn't have the freedom she thought she had as an American.
It's been a powerful learning experience at the same time, which is kind of weird, and I'm hoping that I can help other people, like the people, learn how can we start to gain our freedom back, because whether you realize it or not, we don't have freedom. And that was, we're always told, we're free, America the free. Like, try to exercise your rights and see what happens.
The Commonwealth Court of Pennsylvania ruled against Grady, but she's hopeful that the Pennsylvania Supreme Court will hear her case, where she plans to represent herself. She believes that if Americans don't stand up to government tyranny, the small amount of freedoms we have left will soon be gone.